like to request RKP sir and Shri V.V. Jagdish to please come on stage. तपो विद्या विरक्त्यादि सद्गुणौघाकरानहं वादिराजगुरुं वन्दे हयग्रीवदयाश्रया. My pranams to everyone. As many of you already know, RKP Balaga USA is launching for the first time ever in USA Vadiraja Aradhana. It is our honor today that It is our honor today that our beloved Guru, RKP Sir, a legendary Carnatic vocalist of international fame and an ardent devotee of Vadiraja Swami, and a well-known entrepreneur, Shri V.V. Jagdish, are here with us today to inaugurate this divine occasion. It is our fortune that this event is taking place here in the Bay Area, especially at Shri Krishna Vrindavana Temple, by the blessings of His Holiness Shri Shri Surunendra Tirtha Swamiji Udkemata. Sadguru Vadiraja Swami was a Madhva saint in the lineage of Ashtamata, founded by a great reformer Shri Madhvacharya. Most people know Vadiraja Swami as a saint, but not many are aware of his musical contribution to the society. Vadiraja Swami has composed more than 500 compositions in Kannada and a few more in other languages. Our beloved Guru, Vidwan RKP Sir, was inspired so much by Vadiraja Swami's work that he started devoting his time into bringing Vadiraja Kritis into limelight. This process also inspired RKP Sir that he started composing songs on Vadiraja Swami with an Ankita Padmanaha Dasa. Shri V.V. Jagdish is an entrepreneur known to everyone here in the Bay Area. I'm sure there's not a single person who doesn't know his name. V.V. Jagdish Sir and his wife Srimati Anuradha Jagdish are ardent music connoisseurs and have been promoting Carnatic music for a long time now. They are supporting this event very significantly, for which we are grateful. It is indeed our honor to have Shri V.V. Jagdish here to inaugurate this divine occasion. We extend our welcome to both Vidwan RKP Sir and Shri V.V. Jagdish. We also have with us Vidwan C.N. Chandrasekhar Sir and Vidwan V.S. Anand, who are here with us all the way from Bangalore to help support Vadiraja Aradhana. We extend our warm welcome to you as well, sir. RKP Balaga USA welcomes you all to our very first Vadiraja Aradhana. Without further ado, let's begin this event by lighting the lamp by our guest of honor. We would like to felicitate Shri V.V. Jagdish for encouraging us and giving us the support that we needed.
We would like to request Sri B.V. Jagdish to say a few words on this divine occasion.
Thank you, Prajwala. Good morning. How are you? I think we are all looking forward to an exciting all-day event here. I think we are very, very, very fortunate to have someone of the caliber of RKP sir coming and spending so much time in this place. Please give a big hand for the effort. Our association with RKP sir is probably for the last 13, 14 years or so. And he's been doing so many things for the first time, and he has succeeded. Every one of the things that he has attempted, he takes it to the next level and creates his own unique stamp. That is RKP's style, and that is RKP's determination. He's one of the few ones who started this whole musical camp almost 15 years ago, which pioneered the concept of training youngsters and elevating them to the next level. There's a whole slew of young artists who have become well known, of the people who went through that musical camp. And then later on he did Geetha Gana Yagna. I don't know how many of you attended that. It was a music festival for almost 11 days. Absolutely incredible. I mean, I don't think any human being will be able to accomplish what Sri RKP sir did over 11 days, feeding almost on a daily basis 1,000 people, more than 1,000 people every day, 5,000 people every day. Can you imagine? This is absolutely remarkable. And then last year or a year and a half ago, he started trying the Uncha Vritti concept. This is to bring music to anybody and everybody based on the old concept of how the gurus and the dasas used to go out and ask for food and then chant. So in the same concept, Sri RKP sir actually walked some 10-15 kilometers doing this Uncha Vritti concept. That is remarkable, absolutely remarkable. And recently, for the last 2 years, he has introduced a youth festival, a youth music festival in Bangalore, which I have attended both the years, last year as well as this year. Again, to encourage and promote youngsters, upcoming young artists, to get a platform so that there is an opportunity for them to showcase their talent and then uplift themselves. So these are very unique kind of concepts that Sri RKP sir is bringing every day, and I think we are very, very fortunate that for the first time ever in North America, something like a Vadiraj Aradhana is happening, and we have to be very proud of that, and we pray God to give Sri RKP sir great health and more of opportunities like this to showcase to the Bay Area people over the next several years. So with that, I want to welcome all of you, and let's enjoy a wonderful Vadiraj Aradhana day. Thank you so much.
Everyone namaskara. I want to sing than speak. But however, this is a great day for me, very sensational moment in my life. Vadiraj should not confine himself to only Bangalore or Karnataka or India. I thought he must go beyond India and spread the message of music. Only Vadiraj is known in some circle, but his contribution is not much known in the general music circle. What is his contribution to music? Nobody knows. He is known as a saint of Ashtamata, that's all. So it is my endeavor to see that the people understand the real contribution of Vajiraja, who devoted most of his time to classical music. See the greatness. He wanted in those days to take classical music to common man, for which he composed a Dashavatara Varana in Tulu language. Tulu language, normally in South Canara, in the fishermen, they speak Tulu. So he composed in Tulu language, called those people to Udupi. He himself taught the composition. He saw that the whole group sang the classical music in those days. This is only one of the. He composed Lakshmi Shobhana, Samudaya Kriti, for the benefit of common man. Gundakriya, what all he did. And more than 800 compositions in Kannada. He has composed in Marathi also. He has composed in Telugu. He has composed in Sanskrit. He has composed in Kannada. Nobody knows about this, even in the musical fraternity. So it is always, I am his ardent devotee. He is my Aradhya Deva, like Tyagaraja's Aradhya Deva is Rama. My Aradhya Deva is Vajiraja, Sadguru Vajiraja. Whatever I have achieved in my life, if at all, it's only because of his blessings, his anugrah. So I attribute everything to his lotus feet. From who are we? We can't do anything. It's only the blessings of Almighty and Guru that we can achieve. Here, when I thought of doing this last year, when I came here, last time, I toured the entire America. I had no time to think about all these things, but after going, I thought something has to be done in America. So I contacted all my students. So I spoke to them to start a RKP Balaga, from which we have to spread the message of Vajiraja. So all these, my students, they have taken so much interest. Especially I am very proud, my daughter-in-law, Sheila and Prajwala, they took a lot of interest and they have done a lot of work. Both these emails, everything, the Hosa Madri, they have taken a lot of interest. And somewhere or the other, we have to start. In the beginning, definitely people cannot come, they don't come. You have to start. In Ramsavaram, they have started, only 10 people were there. Bangalore, Ramsavaram, they have started, 10 people were there. But today, it's a huge organization. So I am sure that RKP Balaga is going to become a huge organization in the years to come. So this is only a beginning. It's only a beginning. We have great friends like Jagdish who has done so much for art and culture, both in America and India. And I was astonished when I came here Monday evening. Rudrabhisheka was going on. He was chanting Rudra and Chama with Pakka Vaidhi cutters. Afterwards, it was something very surprising. After we took prasadam, he himself cleaned everything. So he is an ideal person. ಒಬ್ಬ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಇವತ್ತು ಅಮೆರಿಕಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಹೀಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾದಂತಹ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಸೇರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಬರೀ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಳಗಗಳು ಸೇರಬೇಕು, ಹಾಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯ ಇರೋರು ಸೇರಬೇಕು. ಸೇರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಒಂದು ಕಲ್ಚರು, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಹರಿದಾಸರು ಸಂಗೀತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಡಿ ಮೈಲಿಗೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಟು ಮೈಲಿಗೆ ಮಡಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಂಗೀತ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಮಡಿ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಡಿವೋಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್. ಸಂಗೀತ ಕೇವಲ ಬರೀ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಯು ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ವೆರಿ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ. Practice it. That gives you tremendous result for you. For example, now I can walk for 20 miles or 20 kilometers I can walk. I can sing for 6 hours in this age. Without taking a drop of water I can sing. Because music is the tonic. Music is a medicine. Music is everything. Each note gives you so much of power and energy. So take music, think music, view music like this. Classical music is something very great, especially Carnatic music, full of divinity, full of power, full of adhyatma, full of life, full of health. What else you want in life? If you go to a doctor, he will charge $100. But we don't charge you anything. Please listen, that's all. Come and listen. In one breath I am singing. So much of breath control. So the entire body runs on your breath. So if your breath is in control, you can be very healthy. That is prana, pranayama. Pranala samyogam valla, prana mattu anala. Air and fire, they meet very friendly meeting in Muladhara Chakra. From there, this Pranavanada is started. From Pranavanada, Saptaswara is generated. So music is always divine, music is always great. I hope some more people will come and assemble. We will start our program. So I welcome you all. I thank my students who have taken so much of, I don't say it's a pain. It is really a pleasure to do this, to involve themselves in this type of activity. You have time. I don't accept I don't have time. You have time. Allot timings for music. At least half an hour you sing or listen to classical music. Thereby you benefit yourself. You need not think about others, think about yourself. So definitely you will be very healthy, both physically as well as mentally. Let us all salute this great art, classical music, Bharatiya Sangeeta. Namaskara, namaskara, namaskara. And we have, what is it? Donation box here. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮದು ಮಾಮೂಲದು ಹರಿದಾಸ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ, ಹರಿದಾಸ ಪರಂಪರೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಜೋಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರೋಲ್. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬೆಗಿಂಗ್. ಜೋಳಿಗೆ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬೆಗಿಂಗ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಹಂಕಾರದ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಹಂಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಸದಬಡಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಥರ ಜೋಳಿಗೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು, ತಲೆ ಬಾಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಗೋ ಯುವರ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಿ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ. ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ we have a donation box there. Whoever, it's purely voluntary, don't worry. Even if it's not paid, you can have prasadam with us, no problem. It's only an appeal to organize programs, we need some support. Keraya neeranu, keraya chali. If you give, we will again give back to you through musical form. Try to help us. This has to go on, not this 1 year. It is just go on in America every year. Let us see how we can organize. Thank you very much. First to Sridevi.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for making it to this event. We would like to begin our Sangeeta Seva morning session, but we have a first performance by Sridevi Kaushik.
वीडियो के